Hello everyone, this is Mamta Moon and today we learn and solve questions 1 to 27, exercise 4a, chapter 5. Chapter name is Integers of class 6 of Composite Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of future videos. Let's get started and solve some questions. What we will learn today? Today we will learn and solve exercise 4a questions 1 to 27 of chapter integers, and topics are representation of integers on number line and comparing of integers. Let's solve some questions. Now we'll solve question number 6. Question number 6 is answer true or false. First bit is the smallest integer is 0. Integer, the smallest integer is not 0, is negative integer is also there. So negative integers are the smallest integers than 0, but the smallest whole number is 0, that is true. Here the smallest integer, smallest whole number, if there is smallest whole number then it is 0. Then here the smallest integer is given, the smallest integer is 0, is not true, this is false. If whole number is replaced in integer, then it will be true. Second bit, minus 17 is greater than minus 6. Minus 17 is greater than minus 6. This is not true, this is false. As we know, 17 is greater than 6, but if we place the symbol minus, that is negative sign, then it will be minus 17 is less than minus 6. 17 is greater than 6, but minus 17 is less than minus 6. So minus 17 is greater than minus 6 will be false. Third bit, a positive integer is always greater than its opposite. This is true. We know every positive integer is always greater than the negative integers. So it is true. Now we'll solve question number 4th bit. 4th bit is minus 1, minus 2, minus 4 and minus 8 are integers ordered from greatest to least. This is true. As if we know 1 is less than 2 is less than 4 is less than 8. If we place the natural numbers smallest to the greatest, then 1 is less than 2 is less than 4 is less than 8. But if we place the minus sign, that is negative sign, then it will be reverse. That is minus 1 is greater than minus 2. It greater than minus 4 is greater than minus 8. Minus 1 is the greatest number. So this is true. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 4, minus 8 are integers ordered from greatest to least. The greatest, fifth bit, the greatest negative integer is minus 1. Yes, this is true. 1 is the smallest integer, but if we place the minus 1, then it will be the greatest negative integer. So this the greatest integer, negative integer is minus 1. This is true. Now we solve question number 7. Question number 7 is compare with less than and greater than sign. First bit is 8 dash 13. 8 is, we know 8 is the smallest integer, then 13. So 8 is less than 13. Second bit, minus 17 dash minus 7. We know 17 is greater than 7, but if we place the minus sign, then minus 17 is less than minus 7. Third bit, minus 23 dash minus 32. We know 23 is less than 32, but if we place the minus sign, then minus 23 is greater than minus 32. Now fourth bit, 0 dash minus 48. We know 0 is less than 48, but here minus 48 is there, so 0 is greater than minus 48. 0 is always greater than the negative integers. Fifth bit, minus 15 dash 15. We know 15 equal to 15, but here minus 15 is negative sign is here, negative sign is given, so minus 15 is less than positive 15. We know every negative integers are always always less than the positive integers, and every positive integers are always greater than the negative integers. Sixth bit, minus 18 dash 1. Minus 18 is less than 1. As we know, every negative integers are always greater than the positive integers. Now solve seventh bit, 15 dash minus 51. We know every positive integer is always greater than the negative integer, so 15 is greater than minus 51. 7th bit, 8 bit, minus 623 dash minus 632. Minus 6, we know 623 is less than 632, but if we place the minus sign, then minus 623 is greater than minus 632. 9th bit, we know 16 is less than 61, but if we place the minus sign, minus 16 is less than 61. Its negative integer is always less than the positive integer. X, minus 100 dash 0. We know every negative integer is less than 0, so minus 100 is less than 0. Now solve question number 8. Question number 8 is arrange the following set of integers in ascending order. We have to arrange the integers from smallest to greatest. Here first bit is minus 3, 0, minus 7, 5, 2. Smallest to greatest, so the integers ascending orders are minus 7 is the smallest integer, then minus 3, then 0, then 2, then 5. As we know, minus negative integers are always less than the positive integers, and negative integers is always less than the 0. So minus 7, minus 3, 0, 2, 5. These are the integers arranging from ascending order from smallest to greatest. Second bit, 6, 9, minus 4, minus 5, 0, 10. Integers in ascending orders are minus 5, then minus 4, then 0, then 6, then 9, then 10. Minus 5, minus 4, 0, 6, 9 and 10. Negative integers is always less than the positive integers. Third bit, minus 43, 34, 12, minus 18, minus 21, 4. Integers in ascending orders are minus 43, then minus 21, then minus 18, then 4, then 12, then 34. Minus 43, minus 21, minus 18, 4, 12 and 34. Fourth group, 456, 654, 645, minus 564, minus 465 and minus 546. We know every negative integers is less than the positive integers, so integers in ascending order, that is smallest to greatest, is first is minus 564, then minus 546, then minus 465. These are the negative integers. Then 456, this is the smallest positive integer, then 645, then 654. Now we solve question number 9. Question number 9 is arrange the following sets of integers in descending order, that is the greatest to the smallest. First bit is minus 2, minus 10, 15, minus 13, 0 and 8. Integers in descending orders are, first is the positive integers, that is 15, then 8, then 0. Its positive integers is always greater than the negative integers and always greater than 0. So 15, 8, 0, then minus 2, then minus 10, then minus 13. Minus 13 is always the negative integer, that is the lowest, that is the smallest negative integers in this sets of integer. Second bit, 0, minus 26, 42, minus 50, 64, 4 and minus 3. Integers in ascending or integers in descending orders are, that is the greatest to the smallest is, first is greatest integer, that is 64, then 42, then 4, then 0. Positive integers are always greater than the negative integers and positive integers always greater than 0. So 42, 64, 42, 4, 0. Then minus 3, minus 26, minus 50. Third bit, minus 30, 80, minus 90, 82, minus 25, 18. Integers in descending orders are, first is 82. Positive integers is always greater than negative integers. So 82, then 80, then 18, then minus 25, minus 30, then minus 90. Fourth bit, minus 106, minus 601, 116, minus 160, 161 and minus 61. Integers in descending orders are, first is smallest integer, first is greatest integer, that is the 161, that is the greatest integer in this sets of integer, 161, then 116. Then negative integers are minus 61, then minus 106, then minus 160, then minus 601. Minus 601 is the smallest integer in these sets of integers. Question number 10. Write any 5 integers less than minus 12. We have to write the any 5 integers less than minus 10, minus 12 are minus 15, minus 18, minus 23, minus 50 and minus 100. These numbers is less than minus 12. Write any 8 integers greater than minus 12. 8 integers greater than minus 12 are minus 4, minus 2, minus 4, 2, minus 10, 0 and minus 3. These are the integers greater than minus 12. Any 8 integers greater than minus 12. So 8 integers greater than minus 12 are minus 4, 2, minus 10, 0, minus 3, 6, 9 and minus 1. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.